Come. English learning. There was or were, there has or have been, there will be. There is a train every hour. The time now is 11:15. There was a train at 11 o'clock. There was or were, past. There was a good film on TV last night. We stayed at a very big hotel. There were 250 rooms. Were there any letters for me yesterday? When I got home, I was hungry, but there wasn't anything to eat. There has been or there have been, present perfect. Look, there's been an accident. There's been means there has been. This road is very dangerous. There have been many accidents. There was an accident last night. There will be. Do you think there will be a lot of people at the party on Saturday? The manager of the company is leaving, so there will be a new manager soon. I'm going away tomorrow. I'll do my packing today because there won't be time tomorrow. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.